Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
If your Airtel Volte is not working, begin with a quick restart procedure. Hold the power button and select Restart, or hold for 30 seconds until the device reboots. After reboot, open Settings and enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. This forces the phone to re-register with Airtel network and can restore Volte service. If calls still fall back, proceed to the next slide for SIM and network settings checks. Next, check your SIM placement and network mode to ensure Volte support. Power off and insert the Airtel SIM into the SIM1 slot for primary voice support. Power on and go to mobile network settings to set network mode to LTE only or LTE/3G/2G auto. Open the calls or SIM settings and enable Volte or enhanced 4G calling for that SIM. Wait 30 seconds for the network indicator to show Volte or 4G calls ready. Test by making if Volte still fails, verify carrier settings and reset APN to Airtel defaults. In settings, check for operator or carrier updates and install any available changes. Then open access point names, select Airtel, and reset to default values or recreate the APN with Airtel parameters. After that change, reboot the phone and wait 30 seconds for full network registration. If problems persist, contact Airtel support and provide your IMEI and SIM details so they can provision Volte on your account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.